What's up everybody, I'm back with another video. Today I will take a couple of trades and let's do it. So you see that this is a trend. It's not a very strong trend, but this is going up. I mean, it's going in this price channel and we can go with the buyers after this. Let's see if we're gonna we go with the buyers right here. This is kind of clear that the market's going up and the next seller's entry is gonna be here. I didn't find any reason to not take this trade other than this one, this supply area, but this momentum and the candles movement on this one was pretty strong. It was full of buyers. If you go back and see the candles movement, this is the seller's entry first time and this is the second time, and if we close somewhere here we might have the sellers again. So let's see, let me just draw this. All right, we start with this gap up. You see this gap up, this gap might try to get filled and close this candle like this, but I don't think so because the bars are pretty strong. Yeah, so again we got another rejection from this round number, and I mean it's possible to have another green candle, but this rejection was pretty strong and we're probably gonna come down a little bit, touch somewhere here and then go up. So I'm not gonna risk it to go with the buyers here, but this area is pretty good area for entering with marginal safety, or even if we close on this one we can take this buy trade. All right, so let me just draw this trend line. This is the trend line and this area is pretty strong area, so I will just wait here to see what's going on. All right, we're having the candle and this is a long candle. Long candles often are sign of reversal, just like this one which reversed after this. But let me just take this trade as a buy. Let's go. That's also exactly on the trend line, so that's why I can count on this. So why draw this? Yeah, it's basically exactly on the trend line. This is the third touch of the trend line. It's starting exactly on the third touch. It's strongly signaling the buyers, and this is a pattern that needs retracement, right? And then look at this. This is a QM level. This area is going to be QM level, so basically it's a very good reason to take this trade. And I want to test something out right now, and I want to take a very small risk on the next candle, and I'm just going to see that if the next candle is going to be a buyer's candle or not. Let's go. I will take this, and that's a very good entry. All right, I'm just going to test this out. Let's see if it's going to work. There's two chances here. We might create this red-green pattern here and this ranging market, or we're just going to break and go up. But I thought it's going to go up, but no problem. This is a very small risk, so I don't mind if I lose this. Okay. All right, so we can count on this red-green pattern probably. If it comes down, I will enter with marginal safety exactly on the trend line maybe. Yeah, this area is going to be very good to take this trade, I hope. Yeah. That was a good rejection right there, and then again sellers entered. It's lowering the probability of winning the trade, the seller's entry. If you look at that entry at the lower time frame, it's a lot of sellers, this area. I mean, this was a very good rejection, but then again, we have sellers, so there's a high chance of just losing this trade. We might enter and go off the last seconds, but I don't think so. All right, let's see the 5 second. Yeah, this seller's entry made us lose this trade. No problem. All right, so we lost 2 trades. All right, yeah, we lost that. Oh, all right, this market is kind of getting weird, so I'm just gonna move on to the next pairs. Right. This was the trend which has been broken, and then we got this channel has been broken, and this is a very good area to get the pullback and then go up. So I will just wait here for entry, and I will go with the buyers. You see how market tries to copy itself? So if it's going to copy, we should have a big candle, right? So if we get the big candle, it's a very good sign of market going up. So here I really want to take this buy trade, but I need a marginal safety. Just clean this all. So that was like, that would have been a great trade if we had this candle closing right here. That would have been a very good intersection for buyers to enter. But if I get an engulf right here, I will go with the buyers. Otherwise, I will just wait for proper entry. Since we lost the previous 2 trades, we have to be very careful about the next trade. Right? So all right. I'll go with the buyers right here. If it comes down, I will add more. We got this inverted hammer right here, sign of reversal. It's pretty good level because there was a lot of buyers on this level, and it's closing exactly on this round number. It's coming from the round number, so I can't trust this. Let's go one more time. And yeah, the trend line will support this. And also this. This is a very good entry. Let me just enter one more because this is very amazing entry. The worst case scenario, we're going to create a ranging market right here because we didn't create a higher high. And let's see. Yeah, when you have double losses, it's just better to take your trade with like more reasons, because you don't want to lose a third trade. If you lose a third trade, you have to leave the market for a while and then come back to it. As you can see, it's trying to create this red-green pattern. I'm gonna take this buy trade if I get the proper entry. Let's go. Let's see if we're gonna make this a red-green pattern. Yes. If there was an engulf or high, we could expect market start going up, but we didn't really see a lot of bullish signs, because not creating the high, but also we didn't create a lower low, so it's signaling me that we're gonna have a ranging market, and this ranging market is gonna look like a doji at higher time frame, right? So when we're breaking this range, we might come back to this range, and this is a $25 trade. I'm just gonna see that if this is the red green pattern. Yes. Let's see if we're gonna have a doji at the higher time frame after this candle close. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is not a doji, but it's a spinning candle. So if I draw this, any sort of breakout from this range should be coming back to the range. All right. So this is the range. If we break this range and create this pattern as outside bar, and also we have good reason to take this trade, like something like this, that's gonna be crazy good trade. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Let's come back to 100. All right, do I have a good reason to take this? I don't see any good reason. I'm scared to take this trade, to be honest, because we just can't keep coming down. And also this area is very good level, and here I didn't see a lot of bullish stuff, but we have this gap up. We might reject it the last second, so if we go up enough, I might enter, you know, I will enter for the not anymore. I kind of know that they're gonna reject somehow, but I'm not sure, so I'm not gonna take this trade. We see that they finally created this candle right here, and they might enter going up, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna look and see what's gonna happen. We broke this range, as you can see, and we are coming back to the range now. Again, I'm not sure about this trade, so I will take a small amount. Okay, let's take this as a small amount, and let's check this as a higher time frame. Okay, you see that this was the range. All right, this 3-minute candle hasn't closed yet, but after closing this 3-minute candle, we can expect another 3-minute uptrend, right? Because we are breaking this range, and we're going to come back to the range. All right, now this candle hasn't closed yet, so I cannot tell that we're going to break this range or not. But at the lower scale, we broke this with the 1-minute candle. Let's see how this candle is going to close. It's a risky trade. I took 25. I feel like at the last seconds they're going to reject, but I hope they don't. Yeah, these are all bullish signs, guys. Yeah, see that? Oh my goodness. All right, so yeah, we didn't break this range, and that was a losing trade. That was very unlucky, and if I was entering with a little bit of marginal safety, we would win the trade, right? Let's find another opportunity. Oh my god, look at this doji right here. I mean, this trade was very good. Okay, so I take a sell trade right here for the next candle, not this one. And I will add 2 more for the next candle, but I feel like it's risky. Let me see where it touched. Yeah, it's risky. All right, I will go for 2 trades right here because I want to make this previous loss up. It's closing exactly on this round number, and it's also previous seller's entry. We have the seller's entry, you know, started with this engulf, so it's pretty good, strong seller's entry. And also this is a round number, and again, this is a reversal sign. So this is a very good trade, double trade, to make the previous, this trade loss. And the problem with this trade is I counted on this drop-based drop, and I thought this is going to be a very good supply area, but it was already consumed. Look at this. These has been consumed, this, plus we have started an uptrend with this ABC. So going against this trend is not logical. Plus we got, plus we have touched this QM level and it's reacting from that. So it's basically a very bad trade, and this is a mistake by me. And yeah, so, but this trade was a very good trade. And this trade, basically, it's because of not being patient for good trades, all right? And yeah, I think that's enough for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. If you did, drop a like for me and make sure you join the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for crazy support, and peace out.